Good evening. This is a video to kind of show you how to connect your Webwork to your course. I know there's other videos out there, but sometimes they're hard to find. Ben did a great job of making videos, put them in the 123 org, but this one hopefully will get you started. So if you look up top here, you see the webwork-prod.ivtech.edu/webwork2/. This will get you to the main Webwork page for Ivy Tech. And you can see that, again, Ben did an amazing job building all of these courses for the fall term. So after you get to this page, you want to find your course. So I'm going to just go ahead and do this for my course right now. And I am teaching the 43B here from B2. So when you click on this, it brings you to your sign-in page. And since I'm teaching it, my username is bmenning, and my password to start is also bmenning. I don't think I spelled that right. So whatever your username is, your password will be the same. That's how Ben set it up. So when you go into your course after you build it, you will want to change your password so that your students can't get in as you. Okay, so now I'm into my course. And the reason this is important is now this is the link that will take directly into my course, because you don't want your students going into all the courses. You just want them in yours. So I'm just going to Control-C and to copy my link. Okay, so that's the only real reason I'm doing that right now. Then I go into my course, and we're going to need to go down to settings because we're going to need an app. So I'm going to go to the apps button here in Ivy Learn, and I'm going to filter by name. I want the redirect app. I think this is the easiest way, and we're going to just add this app to it. So I don't want it to be called the redirect tool. I want this to be called Webwork. That way students know exactly what I'm talking about. So I just type in Webwork. In this spot, I'm just going to Control-V, and that copies my link. So you can see I'm in class 43B. Make sure it's the right one. And big thing, you want to click Show in Course Navigation. Now you can see it also says Force Open a New Tab. That's good. That way when students go to Webwork, it's going to open in, obviously, a new tab. But we need this to show up in Course Navigation. Okay, so I click Add App. The app was added successfully. So now when I go to navigation and you say, Becky, it's not there. I know, relax. Refresh your screen. Once you refresh your screen, you see Webwork populates at the bottom. I usually move mine up so it's right under modules because that's where I want it. Make sure you hit save at the bottom of the page. And now you will see on the left-hand side of my screen, I can click on Webwork. Open a new tab. And again, you can log in. Hopefully you noticed in your course, oops, wrong button, under modules, there is a button called video links for instructors and, to help you with some go-to training, different things, some Webwork setup, how and where to link Webwork. I think that's what I'm getting you right now. But different things that you might want to see. These are all old videos. I did not make any new tutorials to start the class. If you have questions, let me know. But user settings, I believe, is where you can change your password and all of that fun stuff. So if you have any other questions regarding any of this, of course, as always, shoot me an email.